Welcome everyone to this 5-minute yoga flow. We'll start in a kneeling position, lifting the left knee up, coming into a low lunge, interlacing the fingers, gently pressing against the thigh. Slowly release, tucking the left knee back in and switching sides. Gently release, tucking the right knee in, placing the hands on the mat, moving into a tabletop position, walking the hands forward into puppy pose. Slowly and calmly walking the hands up, sitting the hips back, kneeling and sweeping the feet round, gently moving to lay down on the mat, lifting the feet up, placing the hands on the soles of the feet into happy baby pose, and just gently rocking from side to side. Hugging the knees back in towards the chest and releasing the knees over towards the left side of the body. Taking some expansive breaths here. Slowly bringing the knees in towards the chest and then over the other side. Bringing the knees in towards the chest and slowly down towards the mat, placing the soles of the feet to touch so the knees drop to either side of the body, lifting the hands up, placing them above the head and allowing the eyes to close. And we'll stay here for the next few moments, and I'll call you back when it's time. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you again next time.